You pray. You give charity. You try to obey Allah. But deep inside, a fear keeps haunting you. What if none of it is accepted? Allah says in Quran,
وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْتُونَ مَا آتَوا وَقُلُوبُهُمْ وَجِلَةٌ أَنَّهُمْ إِلَىٰ رَبِّهِمْ رَاجِعُونَ.
And they are those who give what they give while their hearts tremble, because they know they will return to their Lord. This verse is shocking, because it's not talking about sinners. It's talking about people who do good, yet their hearts still tremble. Why? Because sincere believers don't trust their deeds. They trust Allah's mercy. They don't say, I've done enough. They say, Ya Allah, accept it from me. Fear of rejection is actually a sign of sincerity. Arrogance says, I deserve reward. Faith says, I need acceptance. Your worry isn't weakness. It's awareness. And Allah never ignores a heart that fears standing before Him. Comment, O Allah, accept from us. Save this if you fear rejection more than failure. Follow for Quranic reminders that purify intention.